Namaskar, I'm JVN Dr. Suman Shekhawat, Department of Kaya Chikitsa, Faculty of Ayurvedic Sciences, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discussing about Pakshaghat. First of all, we should discussing about the introductory part of Pakshaghat. Pakshaghat is a Vatash Nanatmash Vyadhi considered as Mahavat Vyadhi. Pakshaghat can be correlated with hemiplegia, which results from cerebrovascular accident stroke. Etymology. The nomenclature of Pakshaghat indicates the main symptom of the disease. Synonyms: Pakshaghat, Pakshaghata, Pakshvat. Nidan Panchak of Pakshaghat Vyadhi. Nidan. All factors vitiates Vat dosh in body are root causes of Pakshaghat. Vat disorder in various Ayurvedic texts are classified systematically as below: आहारजन्य निदान, विहारजन्य निदान, मानस निदान, अभिघातश निदान, अन्य निदान. रूप: अचेतन, हस्तपाद संकोच, शिरस्नायु विशोष, वाक स्तंभ, रुजा, तोज, शूल, दाह, संताप, मूर्छा. If we are talking about the samprapti of the disease, Samanya samprapti of Pakshaghat is a common pathogenesis. Acharya's thoughts in account of various etiological factors, Vata gets vitiated and fills up the Rakta srotas of the body and causes various kind of the disease. Vishishta Samprapti of Pakshaghat, Acharya Charak says that Vayu, behold either side, right or left of the body, dries up the Shira and Snayu of that part and producing loss of movement, contraction of hand and leg, along with Ruja and Vakstambha. Chikitsa. Charakacharya mentioned Shvedan, Snehan and Virechan of treatment modalities for Pakshaghat. Snehan Shvedan Vaman Basti, Mridu Virechan, Sneha Virechan, Shirovasti, Abhyang, Upnaha Rasayan. Nidan, we have talked about Nidan, that all factor vitiates Vat dosh in body are root cause of Pakshaghat. Vat disorder in various Ayurvedic texts are classified systematically as below: Aharjanya Nidan, Viharjanya Nidan, Manas Nidan, Abhighatash Nidan, Anya Nidan. If we are talking about Roop, Achetan Roop, Hastapada Sankoch, Shira Snayu Vishosh, Vak Stamp Ruja Toj Shul, Daha Santap Murcha. Samprapti. Samanya Samprapti of Pakshaghat is a common pathogenesis. Acharya Charak quotes an account of various etiological factors. Vat gets, vitiates, and fill up with the Rakta srotas of the body and causes various kind of Vata Vyadhi. Vishishta Samprapti of the Pakshaghat, Acharya Charak says that Vayu, behold either side, right or left of the body, dries up the Shira and Snayu of that parts and producing loss of movement, contraction of hand and leg, along with Ruja and Vakstambha. If we are talking about the treatment of the disease, Charak Acharya mentioned Shvedan, Snehan, and Virechan as treatment modalities of Pakshaghat. Snehan, Snehan, we can do Bhaya and Abhyantar, both Shvedan for the disease. If patient is in acute stage, then we can do Shvedan as Ruksha Shveda, or patient is in chronic stage, then we can do Snehan Shved for the management of the disease. Snehan and Basti, Mridu Virechan, Sneha Virechan, Shirovasti, Abhyang, Upnaha, Rasayan, these kind of treatment we can use. According treatment is depend on the Nidan also. It is very important for the management of the disease. All factors vitiate Vat dosh in body are root cause of Pakshaghat. Vat disorder in various Ayurvedic texts are classified systematically as belows: Aharjanya Nidan, Viharjanya Nidan, and Abhighatash Nidan, Anya Nidan. And we have talked about the introduction and Nidan and symptoms and synonyms of the disease. We have seen the root and chikitsa, and it's also very very important that what kind of pathya is also very important for the management of the disease. Ahar, kulath, mash, godum, and शाली, जो रक्ताभशाली आते हैं वो, घृत ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, दुग्ध, तिल तेल, सरसप तेल एट्सेट्रा, एंड मधुर, अम्ल, लवण रस, उष्ण वीर्य, स्निग्ध गुण हैविंग बृहन एंड वृश्य प्रॉपर्टीज आर compatible for वात विकार, विहार, सुखोष्ण परिषेक, अभ्यंग, मर्दन, बस्ती, श्वेदनम, अग्निकर्म, आसन, शिरोवस्ती. If we are talking about ahare, ahar, diet with katu, tikta and kashaya ras, and ruksh and sheath properties, kuruvind, mudak, and vaya, and karir, jambu, etc. These are apatya. And vihar, vyayam, vayavaya, ati brahma, प्रजागरण, वेग विधारण, छर्दी, श्रम, अनशन, रक्त मोक्षण, चिंता, अति आश्वास, एंड यान सेवन. Patya is very very important for the management of the disease. We have seen that what kind of patyas are important for the disease management are kulathi, mas, godhum, raktabhashali, घृत, दुग्ध, and til tel, सरसप तेल etc. मधुर, अम्ल, लवण रस, उष्ण वीर्य, स्निग्ध गुण, and having Brihan and Vrishya properties are compatible for Vatvikar. Vihar, Sukhoshna Parishek, Abhyang, Mardan, Basti, Shwedan, Agnikarm, Asan, Shirobasti are pathya for the disease. And if we are talking about apathya's, then diet with katu, tikta, and kashaya ras, and ruksh and sheath properties, kuruvind, mudag, yav, karir, jambu, etc. विहार, व्यायाम, व्याय, अति अति बृहन, एंड प्रजागरण, वेग विधारण, छर्दी, श्रम, अनशन, रक्त मोक्षण, चिंता, अति श्वास, एंड यान सेवन. These are the apathy for the management of the disease. And what is the important things for the management of the disease is Charak Acharya mentioned Shwedan, Snehan, Virechan as treatment modality for Pakshaghat. Snehan, Shwedan, Vaman, Basti, Mridu Virechan, Sneh Virechan, Shirovasti, Abhyang, Upnaha, and Rasayan therapies. And Samprapti is also very very important. Samanya Samprapti of Pakshaghat. This is a common pathogenesis. Acharya Charak quote an account of various etiological factors. Vata gets vitiate and fill up the Rakta Srotas of the body and causes various kind of Vatvyadhi. And Vishishta Samprapti of Pakshaghat, Acharya Charak says that Vayu behold either side right or left of the body, dries up the Shira and Snayu of that parts and producing loss of movement, contraction of hand and leg along with Ruja and Vakstambha. रूप ऑफ द डिजीज अचेतन, हस्तपाद संकोच, शिरा स्नायु विशोष, वाक स्तंभ, रुजा, तोद, शूल, दाह, संताप एंड मूर्छा. दीज आर द रूप ऑफ द डिजीज. And these are the pathya, कुलथी, मास, गोधूम, रक्ताभशाली, घृत, दुग्ध, til tel, sarshap tel, and madhur amla, lavan ras, ushna virya, snigdha gun, and having brihan and vrishya properties are compatible for vatvikar, and sukhoshna parishek, abhyang, mardan, basti, shvedan, agnikarm, asan, shiruvasti, apatya are diet, and katu, tikta, kashai ras, ruksh and sheath properties, puruvind, mudag, yav, karir, jambu, vihar, vyayam, vavai, ati, brihan, and prajagaran, and vega vidharan, छर्दी श्रम अंशन रक्त मोक्षण चिंता अतिश्वास and yav ati ashwa and yav sevan. Thank you so much. If you feel any kind of problem with this session, please mention it in comment box. I will try to resolve it soon. Thank you.